Hey guys, what's going on? Today's another kind of goofy video of, kind of like my collapsible laundry bin that I put up earlier. This one's just kind of it's just clever crates. This is a great little thing that they sell. I've caught them a lot at Sam's Club, which is a great place to have, especially because, you're always looking through the boxes or, the Tide bin, to take out to the car and so you can get them back inside. Nobody wants to carry in individual items of milk and eggs and all this kind of crap. So this is a great place to sell them. This is where I always pick them up. I get them a couple times a year, and I usually buy them and give them out as gifts because I love having these things, just stored in the trunk. Look how thin they get in there. Just leave it in the trunk. You can lean it up against something and back, and you've always got a bin ready at your disposal. Look how simple and easy that is. Boom. It creates a box that simple and easy. You keep your baseball gloves, some balls in there, soccer practice. Obviously have space for your Walmart, Target bags, Sam's Club items, and it can handle a pretty solid amount. I mean, it's pretty sturdy over here. It doesn't look like it. It's quite flimsy just because it is collapsible. But I've held plenty of things. I've got it all the way to the top with gallons of milk and eggs and boxes and veggies that they have there. So I think this is wonderful. I just love it. And you can see you just get these sides in. Just a little punch right there. A quick wiggle and it falls right back down, and that's what you got. Anyway, they call it an on-demand folding crate. Like I said, I think they run, it seems like, around $10 give or take, but another really kind of weird video out there, but just a quick review of the clever crates. I love them. Keep them in your trunk, especially if you're in traveling. It works really well too. If you're going on vacation, you just want to toss stuff in and out. So anyway, hope you guys like this one. As always, feel free to comment, like, subscribe to us down below. We do a video a day for a year, trying to see if this YouTube process is worth it for everybody out there, and giving you guys my thoughts along the way. Anyway, I hope you guys like this one, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See you guys.